Sheila, calm down. You can do this. You got this. You can do this. You can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for sticking with me. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a lock knot bob double strand retwist style, and I'm going to be using a couple of things: water, some gel, rubber bands, some crunch to hold my hair up, then some oil. I hope I get it right, but I've ever done this style before, but not when my locks were this long. So I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to be doing a side knot bob to this side. I came out of the shower like 30 minutes ago, but the roots are kind of dry. I'm just going to put some oil. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my hair up. Now my dreadlocks is so long and it's very hard to manage. Some days I feel like cutting it so that it'll be short enough for me to be able to handle it, because the longer it gets, the harder it gets to handle. So I'm just going to hold it up a bit this way. One more crunch. Not too tight, so that I'll be able to pull it. So I'm going to put some oil in my rubber bands so that they don't strip my hair. So you can see the back of my hair is not fully grown. I don't know how to say it, but I've always had this. No matter how many times I treat it, it's still like that. The back of my hair doesn't grow. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair before I start retwisting. Going in with some gel, just a little bit. I'm going to take 2 strands.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really want to know you all.
The level at which I want my bob to be, right from here. I don't know how to not look into the mirror while I was doing this. Okay, so I'm just going to put it around.
I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation.
So I'm going to do the rest of the back off camera because I find it difficult to talk at the same time. Record. I don't know how you guys do it. It's so difficult for me. So I'll see you guys in a minute, but I'll still video the whole process, but I cannot talk. I don't know.
Sorry, they say conversation. Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs.
As you can see, what I do is that after twisting the 2 strands, I tie both of them together so that I'll have it very tightly under my roots, because my hair is very soft and the roots easily just come off. So I tie it very tight to secure the hair, and I now twist all the way to the end.
You guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you see. About it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid.
drained me, guys. Like, I cannot say this enough. Today was one of the worst days. Anything I tried doing was not working out. Can you believe that when I was recording, my phone usually went off for like 10 minutes? I didn't even know that my phone was off until I was like, let me just check and see whether this thing is recording, not knowing that it was off. My phone was off. So I couldn't record the final step of doing the bob. But anyways, besties, this is the end result of my locked bob.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one.
Today was just one of those days that whatever I was trying, it wasn't working out. But I kept on going. I kept on pushing. I kept on telling myself that I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I have to do this. I have to show up for myself. I have to do this for myself. And yeah, I did it. This is the end result. Like, I'm so proud of myself at this moment for not giving up. But like, everything was just going wrong. I don't know whether because I'm on my period, I was feeling fatigued. See, I'm having acne all over my face, hormonal imbalance. Like, I was having mood swings. I don't know. Everything was just happening today. But here I am. It came out just like how I expected. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know this video is going to be all over the place because, in fact, today was just a mess for me, but I still showed up for myself. Like, I still told myself that I'm going to go through this video. I spent like 3 hours recording, and yeah, I'm proud of myself for doing this because it took me a lot to do this, guys, and I'm so proud of myself. I didn't give up along the line. Like, I was so tired, I was exhausted, my body was almost giving up on me, but I kept on going to make these videos for you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell a friend to come and watch my YouTube videos. I'll be loading more styles on dreadlocks, so you can always come to my page. If you are new into dreadlocks, you can always come to my page for an inspiration for a style. Whew, today really drained me, like and my makeup too. Today my makeup did not eat. Like, everything was just going wrong. Every single thing was just going wrong. My light went off. But it's okay. It's all right. These things happen. They're supposed to happen to make me strong. They're supposed to happen so that I wouldn't give up on myself. They're supposed to happen so that I learn new ways of doing things in life. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, I can't stop telling myself how proud I am of myself, because today I really realized how perseverance I was. Ooh. How you guys talking to the camera whilst doing a makeup tutorial or whilst doing any form of tutorial. Like, I give you the accolades. I give you guys the accolades because today drained me. Today tried me. Like, I didn't even, oh God. It's okay. Let's end this video. So please kindly like, share, comment, and until my next video, guys, love you all. Bye.